Hi friends, welcome to the Feathered Cottage Adventures. If you're new to the channel, I'm Dee, and it's nice to see you. And thank you all for stopping by today. There's a whole bunch going on at the Feathered Cottage. We are giving up our camper. We're getting rid of it and starting a new journey. So come along with me. I'll show you some of the camper. I'll give you an empty camper tour real quick. And then I'm going to show you what I did so that we could actually haul the camper. I did some onions up so they didn't go bad and froze them. And I did some hard-boiled eggs because I really didn't want eggs breaking in my refrigerator while we were traveling. So come on along and we'll get an empty camper tour, and I'll show you what I did with my eggs and my onions. I guess the best place to begin is right here at the door. So you come in the camper, and this is what you see: our TV and entertainment center. And then over here is the sofa, and those are the cabinets that I had done the video on doing the fabric. And then you come over here, and there's our dining room table. Excuse the mess, everything's still kind of just packed up, but those are the things that we need to take with us. So we'll have them. My vacuum and that kind of stuff. Not totally done getting everything done, but here's the kitchen. Oh, I'm sorry, I got the hiccups. I have stored, different things, extra toilet paper just in case, and the coffee pot will go right here, and the pot of coffee. And then and down here I've got like my onions in my crock pot and that kind of stuff stored, so it's ready to travel. And that stuff will be cleaned up, but we need the drill for breaking the jacks down. So this is it. This was my Barbie size or playhouse size kitchen, but it did the job. There's my little stove, and then the refrigerator and microwave. As you can tell, it was just a doll size refrigerator and then freezer. And then you finish turning around, and there's the island. Sorry, there's my drink. This isn't going to be professional quality. It's just to give you a view of the camper before we get rid of it, and for us just to have some memories. And you walk down here. Now, I have not made the bed because we're going to be taking the sheets and stuff off. So here is to the bathroom. There's our controls and stuff for the air. And you walk in, and there's our toilet. This was the linen closet. You come through here, and there's the shower. And then there's the bottom of the sink, which we did organizing video on that for Tackle It Tuesday. We've packed the towels, so I've just got some paper towels ready. And then, hi, there's the mirror. So that's the bathroom. And you come back out, and there's my tent. You can see. And then here's our bedroom. Now, you all saw me do the closet tour or closet reorganization, but you didn't actually see the bedroom. So you come in, and we've got some clothes right now on the dresser that we'll wear tomorrow. There's my laundry all done up, my husband's shirt, and then just some little random stuff. There's our fan. As I said, I did not make the bed. So here's our bedroom, and I apologize for it not being made, but I'm tired. I'm wore out. There was extra storage up there for clothes, and then there is extra storage underneath the bed. So as you can see, it's not a real big camper, but it's 30-foot front kitchen and super slide. It's a Puma made by Palomino, and it has served us well. It has been a very good camper. It still is a good camper if you're just using it for camping, but as full-timers, it doesn't work anymore. But I just wanted to show you that, and then I'll show you what I'm doing so that we don't have food break. Right there is where I kept my craft supplies, and I showed them in video how I organized that. Sorry, squirrel. Any rate, it is a really good camper and we've enjoyed it, but it's time to move on. So I'll show you real quick how I did my eggs and onions so that they stay fresh. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make 24 or 2 dozen eggs for my husband so that he has them for lunch because he enjoys eating them. And I'm going to put a cup of water, but first I'm going to put my eggs in my Instapot. I guess I could start in the center and work my way out, whichever works. And it really doesn't matter, I don't believe, on how you lay them in here, but I do like to lay them, if possible, with the big end up, just so it gives the air bubble up there. And you'll see how easy this is to crack your shells once you're done. Eggs in here, except 2. I'm going to add 1 cup of water. That's it, 1 cup of water. And then I'm going to put my lid on. Sorry for the racket. My lid was backwards. If you will line your lid up, let me get the right angle. If you line your lid up to this part, it will always go back on. And then I'm going to set my timer for pressure, and you can tell whatever I cooked last was way up there, for 10 minutes. Whoa. And that's it. I'll come back and I'll have hard-boiled eggs. It is on. So let this do its thing, and then we'll be back in just a minute. Okay, while those are cooking, and it's coming to pressure still, as you can see. As that comes to pressure, I have a bag of onions that I got at Sam's or Walmart, and I'm going to cut up a few of them and freeze them. And I thought I would share, this is how. And see, that one's trying to go bad, so I'm going to go on and get it cut up now, put in freezer bag. There seems to be only a few that have gone bad on the outer skin, so I'm going to cut them up. This is how I cut them up, like you don't know how to cut an onion, but I'm just showing you what I'm doing, slicing them up, and I'm making these into larger chunks for dishes that require to be cooked. They'll already be ready, and I'll just have to measure out what I need. And so this makes it really easy and keeps onions from going bad. Now you need to make sure you label your bag. As you see, I put large diced onion, so when I get looking for it, I know exactly what I'm looking for. And I measured out how many cups were in there so that I would know that that's the bag to get out when I just need a cup or 2, maybe 3. So this is just a little tip for you. As you see here, I've got little bags, and I store my onions in these little bags. There's a cup in each bag. So when I need a cup, I'll just pull 1 cup at a time out. And this is how easy the shells will come off these eggs. Give it a squeeze, and the shell is ready to come off. Let me show you how pretty these eggs turn out. So if you're needing to make eggs for Easter, this is how to do it. Another tip, you'll take your egg and crack it right there at the top. There's an air pocket up there, so it makes it easier to peel your eggs be cracking it at the bottom. And it just falls right off. Oops, I pulled a little bit more than I meant to there. But then you have your egg in a heartbeat ready. That was just another tip I want to share with you while I'm cracking these eggs. I'm going to take a dozen of them, put them in a bag for my husband, and then keep the other, well, there's not a dozen because I dropped 2 and broke them, and I ate one. But at any rate, I'll have those ready for his lunch, and then I'll have the others ready for tuna fish salad or chicken salad or anything else that I need hard-boiled eggs in. Well, friends, as you can see, I've been a busy little girl this week, and that's why there hadn't been videos last week, because I was trying to get everything packed, doing all the paperwork and all that stuff, and getting like my eggs and onions and that kind of things done. But I hope this gave you some ideas on preserving your food, and I hope you enjoyed the really quick camper tour, and I will see you all, I hope, on Wednesday, and that will be, didn't help any, did it? Okay. Anyway, I will see you all Wednesday night for Wednesday in the Word, chapter 3. I hope if we get everything set up and ready, then I will be live Wednesday night. If I'm not live Wednesday night, you all know that we're in the process of setting up the camper, getting a level and all that good stuff. So if I don't see you Wednesday night, you all take care, and I will see you Thursday with a new camper tour, showing you our new home. You all have a great week, and stay safe, wash your hands, wear your masks, all the things that we need to be doing right now. We are wearing masks and all that stuff when we go trade the camper in. But you all take care. I love you all. Thanks for stopping by. I'm so glad you came to visit, and I'll see you soon. Bye.